What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, I'll show you a quick and easy way to bring new life into your old clothes. Something kind of like this. So guys, अगर आप अपनी पुरानी शर्ट से टी-शर्ट को एक नया लुक देना चाहते हैं तो आप भी हमारे ये क्विक एंड इजी स्टेप्स ट्राई कर सकते हैं. आई एम श्योर आपको रिजल्ट बहुत पसंद आएगा. So without further ado, let's move on with the video.
So first of all guys, you need a shirt, and enemy shirt would be a nice choice. And some bleach, distilled white vinegar, plastic bag, and a rubber band. So first fill up a bucket with warm water. Now for the second step, we're gonna add some bleach, and remember guys, 2 parts water, 1 part bleach. While that is setting in, let's prepare our shirt for the bleaching process. Now it all depends upon you guys how you want the design to be. I want it from the chest region to down, so I'm folding the shirt and wrapping it up very carefully with a plastic bag. So basically we are covering up the area where we do not want the bleach. Tie it properly and secure it with a rubber band. Once this is done, put the shirt in the bucket. Make sure the bag doesn't go too much deep in the bucket. And please make a note guys, even though the shirt is covered with plastic bag, water can seep through it. So make sure to clip it on the edge of the bucket using a clip. As you can see guys, it's already changing color. Now just throw out all the bleach water. And now we're gonna wash the shirt with some fresh water. And you can already see the difference guys, the lower part is almost white. So guys, don't forget to put on your gloves while washing to protect your hands from bleach. We want to make sure that all the bleach is out, so just keep on washing and washing. So guys, for the last step we're gonna need 2 part water and 1 part white distilled vinegar. And this step is really important guys, as vinegar helps to stop the bleaching process and makes the color stay in place. Now just dry it outside and you are good to go.
So there you go guys, this is very quick, easy and affordable way to give a whole new look to your old shirts or t-shirts, and you can easily try this at home. And if you do try this at home, then send me your pictures at my Instagram, that is at @ShankyJR, or you can also tweet me your pictures at ShankyJR99, and I will be very happy to see your creations. And make sure to click the subscribe button to see all my videos. तो दोस्तों, आप सब मुझ पर अपना प्यार ऐसे ही बनाए रखें, और आपका ये शैंकी आप लोगों के लिए नए नए चैनल के साथ, नए नए हैक्स के साथ, नई नई वीडियोस लाता रहेगा.
I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.